In 1901, divers off the coast of the tiny Greek island Antikythera made an astonishing discovery. Amidst a sunken treasure of statues and coins, they unearthed a curious, corroded lump of bronze gears and dials. It didn't belong to any known ancient technology. This artifact was the Antikythera Mechanism. Dated back to the 2nd century BCE, this intricate device astonishes experts to this day. With its complex assembly of at least 30 meshing bronze gears, it's frequently dubbed the world's first analog computer. But what was its purpose? Extensive research suggests it was used to predict astronomical events. The mechanism could track the cycles of the solar system, predict eclipses, and even account for the irregularities in the moon's orbit around Earth. It's a testament to the advanced scientific understanding and engineering capabilities of ancient Greek scholars. But its origin and the genius minds behind it remain subjects of speculation. Was it a singular creation or part of a more widespread technological tradition now lost to time? Thousands of years ago, without electricity or modern tools, human curiosity and ingenuity were pushing the boundaries.